What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Boo, and I'm back, and I'm back, and I'm back with another video for y'all. So I know y'all seen that title, and I know y'all read that thumbnail. Today I'm going to be showing y'all how to make a YouTube banner. This has been highly suggested, so I hope y'all enjoy the video. And we're going to go ahead and get straight into the video. It's going to be simple, easy. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure you comment down below and talk to me. Like, I talk back. Don't be shy, y'all. But anyways, y'all, let's go ahead and get straight into the video. So first thing first, what you want to do is you want to make sure that you get a background image that you want to use, which we can use PixArt. We can use not PixArt, but it's going to be Pinterest that we can use to get the background. And then we're also going to go ahead and get some pictures that we're going to need as well. So let's go ahead and go to Pinterest. We're going to go ahead and you can just type in like aesthetic backgrounds or wallpaper aesthetics. You want to find something that fits you, that you want to put for your background banner. And since I already found the image, which I'll show you guys, I'm not going to go ahead and download it again, but I am going to be using this image for this tutorial. So now that we have the background that we're going to use, we're going to go ahead and find the images that we're wanting to use. And what I did was I just went on Google and I found pictures of Rihanna. So this is the banner that I'm going to be making. And then these are the pictures that I'm using. And I just cut out the background of these pictures. And I just really love Rihanna. So I dedicated this video to her. And so I got that image that I'm going to be using, and then I'm also going to be using this image, and all I did was just cut out the background so that way I only have her face in the image. So once you have the pictures that you want to use for your banner, you can pretty much go ahead and get started making a banner. What I would suggest is going to Google, and you're going to type in banner template. And it's going to bring up these templates that you can go to images and see. So like this one, you can just go ahead and press it and then add it to your photos. And I already have this image as well, so I'm not going to re-download it. So once you have the template, your background, and your pictures that you're going to want to use, now we're completely set to go ahead and make our background for our banner. So now what we want to do is we want to go to Fonto. We're going to go ahead and create our banner in Fonto, y'all. It's going to be super easy, super quick. And so what I did was I just went to the camera sign. I went to plain images. I hit the white one. And then I'm going to customize this size. And what I did was made it to the exact size that your banner is supposed to be, so that way it'll fit. So I made it 2560 by 423. Then I'm just going to hit done. I'm going to hit the arrow button and use this. So once we have this, I'm going to go ahead and hit the 4 lines in the left hand corner. I'm going to hit add image, and we're going to go ahead and add our background that we're going to be using. And then I'm going to go ahead and size it up, place it to where I want it to be. And I am going to also hit it again. I'm going to hit alpha. And then that way I can go ahead and see exactly where I'm putting it. So this is actually perfect. I'm going to leave it here like that. So once you have it to where you want it to be, which I'm still making sure it's not crooked here. So, okay, that's fine. So once you have it to where you want it to be, you can simply go ahead and tap it again. We're going to tap on the picture again here, and we're going to turn the alpha back up so that way it's not light once we save it. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it back up, and then I'm going to hit the arrow sign in the right hand corner, and I'm going to go ahead and save this image. So once it's saved, I'm going to hit the camera sign again. I'm going to reset, and then I'm going to go ahead and add that image that we just created. So I'm going to hit the camera sign, hit photo albums, and go ahead and hit the image that we just created. once we have our banner template, which is here, we're going to go ahead and start adding our pictures. So I went on ahead and hit the 4 lines in the left hand corner, hit add image, and I'm going to go ahead and choose the pictures that I'm going to be using. Now I'm just going to size it up to make sure that it fits. And then I'm going to hit the 4 lines again, hit add image. And I'm going to add the other image here that I'm going to want to use, which is here. I'm going to hit done. Do the same with this image. I'm going to go ahead and size it up to how big I want it to be. And you want to make sure you kind of put everything in the middle so that way it fits. So you see how I'm not putting anything on the sides of this background. I'm just pretty much getting it like right in the middle. So you want to try to get it as close as possible to the middle so that way it'll fit once we go to upload the banner. So I'm going to sit it there and I'm going to hit add image again. And I'm going to add this image again just to add to the side here. I'm going to place it here. I'm going to size it up. And just take your time with this part to make sure you have everything lined up the way that you want it to be. All right, and that is perfect. I can scoot the pictures up just a little bit here just to make sure that I get everything. Can size this up a little bit more. And this is kind of a tedious process, so just make sure you take your time on this part. This is like the part that takes actually the longest, just trying to make sure you line everything up. So now that I have everything lined up how I want it to be, I'm going to hit the 4 lines in the left hand corner again. I'm going to hit add image, and I'm just going to add some stars in there. So these are some stars that I found off of Pinterest, and you can find these images too off of PicsArt. So if you want to use PicsArt or Pinterest, you can use those to get like some butterfly images if you want to add like some extra stuff to it. And they also have like glitter stuff that you can add as well. So I'm just gonna place this right here. And then I'm going to add another one as well here just to make it a little cute here. I'm going to put this on this side. I'm going to size it up a little bit. Okay, and I'll go ahead and keep it here. And then once you have everything where you pretty much want it to be, you can go ahead and save this image. So I am going to go ahead and save this image. And then before I save it, what I'm going to do is hit the 4 lines again. I'm going to hit add image, and I'm going to go ahead and use that template that I had you download from Google. And I'm going to size it up, and I just want to make sure that it fits here. So I'm going to turn the alpha down and make sure that it's right in between the middle here where it says text and logo safe area. So it does look like it's fitting perfect there. So I'm going to go ahead and remove this. I'm going to go ahead and save this image. And then we're going to go ahead and reset again. Once we reset, we're just going to go ahead and hit the camera sign. We're going to hit plain images, and now we're going to need a background so we can place our template on. So I'm going to hit the white. I'm going to customize the size again here, and this time I am going to customize the size to 1280 by 720. Then I'm going to hit done, and I'm going to hit color at the bottom, and I'm just going to change the color to make it something cute here. And now that I have the background color that I want it to be, I'm gonna go ahead and hit apply, and I'm gonna use this image. So now that I have this background that I'm gonna need, I'm gonna hit the 4 lines in the left hand corner again. I'm going to hit add image, and we're going to go ahead and add our banner that we just made. And then you want to size it all the way up, make sure that it fits, and kind of put it right in the middle here. Once you have it like that, you can go ahead and hit the 4 lines again, hit add image, and we're going to go ahead and add our banner template. So that way we can make sure that everything fits here. We're going to size it all the way up, and it looks like a perfect fit. So I want to make sure nothing is hanging off, so I'm going to go ahead and hit alpha. I'm going to lighten it up so I can see what I'm doing here. And I'm going to go ahead and bring this image to the front so I can see it better. And so I can make it just a little bit bigger here and shorten it a little bit because I don't want it to be hanging over. And then once you take your time on this part, make sure you take your time on this part as well. And just try to get it as straight as possible as you can. Then once I have it to where I want it to be, now we're completely done. So we're going to go ahead and remove our template. I'm going to go ahead and save this image as PNG, and I'm going to hit OK. So now we can go ahead and actually upload this banner. So if you guys do not know how to upload your banner or change it really quickly, I'm going to go ahead and show y'all that now. So we're going to hop on over to our studio. So I'm going to go to Safari. I'm going to go to my studio here. And then once we're here, you want to go to the settings, which is right up under your $ on the left-hand corner pad there. And you want to hit customize. It'll go to layout, but you want to go to branding. And then you want to go down to banner image. So you're going to hit change. And sometimes you have to hit that a couple of times before it pops up, but eventually it'll come up. This time it actually came up pretty quick. So I'm going ahead and hit photo album, and I'm going to choose the banner that we just created. And there it is. So it fits right in the middle, and you are able to see everything, and you just want to hit done. So once you save it, once you hit done, you just want to hit publish, and there you have it, y'all. That is how you make a YouTube banner for your YouTube channel. I hope this was very, very helpful for y'all. If I left anything out or you have any other questions that you want to ask, just make sure you comment that down below in the comments. And again, y'all, I just want to thank y'all for tuning into this video. Thank y'all for getting me to 500 subscribers. I love y'all so, so much. And until next time, y'all, I will see y'all in my next video. Hey.